So I've pulled off the firewall cover to get easier access to the distributor cap. I'm getting the stumbling at low load, so I've pulled off the rotor here. Doesn't look bad. A little rough, but it looks pretty clean. On the distributor cap though, contact surfaces definitely need some cleaning. It's hard to see here, but especially this one you can see right here is a bit rough. So I'm going to go ahead and clean those up, get it back together, and see if that solves the low load stumbling. If not, then we're going to start moving on to some other tuning, carburetor, fuel flow issues, although my fuel pressure gauge shows good pressure at all times. But we'll move forward from there on some carb tuning as necessary.